Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 18 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Today we're diving into the world of functions, specifically exploring the differences between two fundamental concepts, print and return. Often misunderstood, grasping their distinct roles is crucial for mastering function creation in Python. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of print and return. What are functions? Think of functions like mini-programs within your main program. They encapsulate specific tasks, allowing you to reuse code and keep your program organized and efficient. Imagine a chef following a recipe. Each step in the recipe can be seen as a function, performing specific actions like chopping vegetables or preheating the oven. What is print? Print is a built-in function in Python that displays text to the console. It's like the chef announcing their progress, saying vegetables chopped or oven preheated. Print doesn't affect the flow of your program, it simply outputs information for you to see. What is return? Return is another built-in function, but it plays a different role. It allows a function to send back a value after completing its task. Imagine the chef handing you a delicious plate of food after following the recipe. The return statement is like the chef handing you the completed dish, allowing you to use its value elsewhere in your program. Let's see it in action. Example 1, Understanding print. Here's a simple code example. Line 1. Def greet user. This line declares a function called greetUser. The def keyword tells Python that this is the beginning of a function definition. The function name is the identifier used to refer to the function later in the code. Line 2. Name equals John. This line defines a variable called name and assigns the value John to it. Line 3. Print. This line uses the print function to display a message to the console. The f-string format allows you to embed the value of the variable name within the message. Line 4. greetUser. This line calls the greetUser function. When a function is called, its code is executed. Output. When this code is run, it will output the following to the console will be hello, John. This is because the print function within the greetUser function is called, and it displays the greeting message with the name John. Example 2, Understanding return. Now, let's modify the code to use return. Line 1. Def greetUser. This line is the same as the previous example, declaring a function called greetUser. Line 2. Name equals John. This line also remains unchanged, defining and assigning a value to the name variable. Line 3. Return f hello. This line is where the difference occurs. Instead of using print, the function uses return followed by the f-string containing the greeting message. This statement terminates the function and sends back the value of the f-string. Line 4. Greeting message equals greetUser. This line calls the greetUser function and assigns the returned value to the variable greeting message. Line 5. Print. Finally, this line prints the value stored in the greeting message variable, which is the greeting message itself. Output. When this code is run, it will output the following to the console. Hello, John. This is because the greetUser function returns the greeting message instead of printing it directly. The message is then stored in the greeting message variable and printed using the print function. Comparison. The main difference between the two versions of this code is how they handle the greeting message. The first version uses print to directly display the message on the console, while the second version uses return to send the message back from the function, allowing it to be stored and used elsewhere. By now, you should have a clear understanding of the differences between print and return in Python functions. Remember, print is for communication, while return is for giving back values. Mastering these concepts is essential for building effective and efficient functions in your Python code. So, go forth and experiment, unleashing the power of functions to build amazing programs.